And you know, you just look around and you see not only the savings in terms of the space, but you see the efficiency of the equipment. I think that that's super incredible to just witness today. Aloha, I'm Terry Vesperis, Program Specialist with the Department of Public Safety for the state of Hawaii. From a public health standpoint and safety standpoint, this is essential. This is one of the vital parts to OCCC, its staff and its inmates, being able to provide renewable hot water when you need it at the most efficient way possible. And you know, again, everything from laundry to be able to do food preparation, the kitchen, bathing on a regular basis. Again, those are all essential functions that we have to have in a facility like this. You know, we had these big boilers and you know, it was just very limiting. It was older equipment, and just to be able to work with you guys, a seamless transition really, and be able to put in these great systems, to be able to look at the meters and all of the smart functions that these tankless water heaters gives us. I mean, it really is a great growth experience, and you know, it really, the redundancy of the things that you guys offer in this tankless water system really makes us stronger as a facility to provide the kind of essential services for this facility. So, you know, without a doubt, we're just so happy and pleased to be able to, you know, be partners with you guys and you know, see this great, remarkable system in place.
My name is Janine Suki. I'm Director of Government Affairs and Communications for Hawaii Gas. The systems that were installed in these facilities have a 98% efficiency rating, which is much higher than the old boilers that were functioning before. And this provides endless hot water with a fuel that is very low carbon, and with renewable natural gas, it's actually carbon negative and a carbon neutral fuel. So we're able to provide clean, stable power source with endless hot water at a very efficient rate.
I'm Ray Gonzalez, Acting Construction Maintenance and General Supervisor on OCCC. We started on with 2 boilers over here for our facility hot water system. But the 2 boilers is too old already. This one is 1990s, I think. This facility is so big, it cannot cope up with the whole facility. We are all up to module 19, the last loop. We started the loop from this side, going all the way to the modules, module 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 17, 18, and 19 is the last loop. So every time, once the boiler come down and it break down, we have to call service, and every time, you know, we get complaints, grievance that coming in from the inmates that they have no more hot water. When it come out and then it become operable, everything is fine. No, we have never received any complaint that they don't have hot water. Okay, it's very good and very efficient.
And you know, this is ultra high efficiency, the system that you guys have put in, and it's great because it's intelligent. You know, be able to use the water, give us hot water when we need it, you know, at the demands that we need it. And again, this is a 24/7 operation. Not many facilities are like that, but this is it. This is a remarkable, you know, step forward. I mean, just the space efficiency. You just, I mean, again, I cannot stop smiling at how great the system and how compact it is to be able to replace what we had.